Let's take a look at this example. This time we're supposed to add negative 47 to 26. What we're supposed to do first? We're supposed to find negative 47 in binaries. So what we're supposed to do first? Find positive 47 first. 47 you can build from weights 32, and I have 8, and I have 4, 2, 1. 32 plus 8 is 40, plus 4 is 44, plus 2, 46, 47. Okay, this is my positive 47. In order to find negative 47, I'm supposed to find 2's complement of this number. So what I'm supposed to do, simply copy this number down, find 1's complement of it. I'm going to have 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. And in order to find 2's complement, I'm supposed to add 1 to 1's complement. So I have 2's complement. Let me copy this down one more time. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is my negative 47. Positive 26. Positive 26 I can build from 16, and I have 8. 16 plus 8 is 24, and I'm supposed to have 26. That's why I have to add 2. 24 plus 2 is 26. And perform the addition. So my negative 47, I have 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, plus 26. I have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. And add them up. I have 1, 1, 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, write 0 and carry of 1. So I have 1, 1, 1. Let's write the weights, and we have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and negative 128. Why negative? Because my 8-bit is 1. And I have negative 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1 is equal negative 21. So negative 47 plus 26 is equal negative 21. And we have got negative 21 in binary. So this is the solution and correct answer to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. This time we're supposed to add two negative numbers. We have negative 105 and negative 75. In order to find the negative binary numbers, we're supposed to find first positive binary numbers. 105 you can build from 64 and 32. 64 plus 32 is 96, plus 8 is 104, plus 1 is 105. This is my binary 105. So what am I supposed to do with it? Copy this down. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. And you're supposed to find 1's complement of it, which is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Next, we're supposed to find 2's complement. I have 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, plus 1. And I have 0 plus 1 is 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is my binary negative 105. This time we're supposed to find negative 75. In order to do so, we're supposed to find positive 75 first. 75 you can build from 64, 8, 2, and 1. 64 plus 8 gives me 72 plus 2, 74 plus 1, 75. So this is my positive 75. In order to find negative 75, I'm supposed to find the 2's complement of it. So this is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. I copied that down. And I'm supposed to find first 1's complement. I have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. And in order to find 2's complement, I'm supposed to add 1 to 1's complement. So let me copy down 1's complement again. And add 1 to 1's complement. So I have 0 plus 1 is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So this is my negative 75. Next, I'm supposed to add them up. I'm going to have 105. Let me copy down 105. I have 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is my negative 105. And I'm supposed to add to it negative 75. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. I have 1 plus 1 is 2 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 and carry of 1. We have 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and carry of 1. This is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and carry of 1. In this case, what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to bring this carry down. Why? Because we're adding two negative numbers. Someone is going to ask, how come? Minus 105 plus negative 75 is equal negative 180. Let's take a look what we have got. We have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, negative 256. My answer can be verified by adding the weights which are below at this moment of highs. So I have negative 256 plus 64 plus 8 plus 4. And this is equal negative 180. Negative 105 plus negative 75 gave me negative 180. If I'm going to convert this binary number to decimal, I will get negative 180. That's why this is the solution to my problem.